At Bluff Lake Nature Center, our mission is to connect people to nature right here in the city. We manage a 123-acre wildlife refuge that has a wetland, our lake, prairie habitats, and also Sand Creek goes through our site. And over 100,000 people are using the site every year for forest preschool or bird watching and the numerous family programs that we host. So historically, Bluff Lake Nature Center has had one main entrance, but as the neighborhoods around Bluff Lake grew, we started to recognize a need for an entrance on our northwest side. So previously, people would try to find access to nature as wherever they could get it, and there was a fence that it was a little unclear. We had a lot of people climbing over that fence and entering the site, which was causing damage to different habitats. It was also just confusing. So we knew that we wanted to build this new entrance here on the northwest side. As a small nonprofit, a project like this takes a lot of partners. We developed this project working in partnership with the Sand Creek Greenway, doing some walk audits, and then we needed to find funders who helped support this need for nature access. MetroDNA was an obvious choice, and we're really glad that they joined us, as well as some funding from Xcel Energy to make this gate infrastructure possible.